Look at the cakes. Hey, who are you talking to? It's here. Yummy. Oh, you want some cake? Nah. The recipe I'm sharing with everyone today is a baby-friendly and of course adult-friendly, super delicious, super simple to make banana coconut cake.
Whoa, dinosaur, stop. Even this cheeky bum. You can have it too.
See ya. Oh, perfect. 350 grams of banana. Not really, but very close to it. So we're gonna blend the banana first until it's kind of like a puree. It's really up to you how much you want to puree the banana. You can leave little clumps so the banana cake has a little bit more texture. So you pour the mixture into a large mixing bowl. So we're now going to add 6 eggs, including the egg yolk with this puree. So there's no milk, there's no butter. Now we add the 60 ml of coconut oil. I'm just going to leave a little bit for greasing the pans later. So I've added 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Last but not least, half a cup of coconut flour. So coconut flour absorbs a lot of moisture. So you might be thinking, oh my God, I've only used half a cup of coconut flour. This is looking really runny and really liquid. But we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and it would have absorbed a lot of the moisture from the banana and the oil. So give it a good mix. So you don't even need to put honey or maple syrup. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you can, but what I suggest is you can make the cake itself, and then if you like it sweeter, you can add additional stuff to it rather than put it in the cake. So we're gonna let it sit for around 10 minutes to let the coconut flour soak up some of that moisture. So coconut oil is actually really good because I love it. I like the aroma. It's anti-inflammatory, it boosts your immune system. It's a super healthy type of oil, so any sort of good oil is good for our body. So you can make it like any sort of variation you like. I'm gonna make them into little muffins because I feel like it's just easier to grab and eat for the kids. And then the rest, I'm gonna make it into a little cake. If you wanna make it a little bit naughtier for the adults, you can add some chocolate chip, which I'm gonna do. But the kids, you can leave it as is, or you can add some fruits. This is a little extra, so I'm gonna leave it as is. It will rise, so it's not gonna be a flat looking cake. $170 degrees for, I think, 35 minutes, and then we're gonna do the toothpick test. Look at the cakes. Hey, who are you talking to? It's here. Yummy. Oh, you want some cake? You want some cake? No, it's not ready yet. Ooh, let's check it out.瞓覺咯喎，你瞓醒覺先食好唔好啊？我哋食過冇朱古力㗎，點啊？哦，好鬆化㗎，你睇裏邊，對。
Wow, wow, wow. You like it, don't you?
佢鬆化得嚟裏邊咧係都仲有少少 moisture，好食啊，好食啊，冇？
得唔得
？Super healthy, baby friendly. Mangga ako.